Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share with you some amazing books that can make your life better. Today I have a very special book for you. It's called The Power of Discipline by Daniel Walter. And trust me, this book can change your life. You might be thinking, why do I need a book on discipline? I already know what to do to be successful. I just need to work hard, stay focused, and follow my plan. Well, let me ask you something. How often do you actually do what you know you should do, even when you don't feel like it? How often do you say no to things that are bad for you, and yes to things that are good for you? How often do you challenge yourself, face your fears, and overcome your problems? If you're like most people, the answer is probably not very often. And that's okay, because discipline is not something that you have or don't have. It's something that you can learn and improve, just like any other skill. And that's exactly what this book will teach you. It will show you how to use discipline as a tool to achieve anything you want in life, whether it's personal, professional, or social. This book is not just a bunch of tips and tricks. It's a complete guide that covers everything you need to know about discipline. It explains how discipline works in your brain, how to make it stronger through daily habits, and how to use it to reach your goals. It also gives you real-life examples of people who have used discipline to do amazing things. Some of the things you will learn from this book are: what is discipline and why is it important? How does your brain help or hurt your discipline? How can you learn from the best examples of discipline, like the Navy SEALs, the Zen Buddhists, and the world's best writers? How can you practice discipline with simple strategies and exercises that work for any situation or goal? What are the benefits of discipline for your life and happiness? But that's not all. This book also has 7 chapters that go deeper into each of these topics and show you how to apply them to your own life. Here's a sneak peek of what you'll find in each chapter. Chapter 1. What is discipline and why is it important? This chapter defines discipline as the ability to control your impulses, emotions, and actions, and to align them with your long-term goals. It also explains why discipline is the key to success in every area of life, and how it can help you to overcome procrastination, temptation, and fear. Chapter 2. The Biology of Discipline. This chapter explores the scientific basis of discipline and how it affects your brain, body, and behavior. It also reveals the 4 chemicals that influence your motivation, mood, and performance, and how to balance them to optimize your discipline. Chapter 3. The Psychology of Discipline. This chapter examines the mental and emotional factors that affect your discipline and how to overcome them. It also introduces the concept of mental toughness and how to develop it through positive thinking, self-talk, and visualization. Chapter 4. The Habits of Discipline. This chapter shows you how to build discipline through daily habits and how to make them stick. It also teaches you the power of routines, rituals, and rewards, and how to use them to boost your discipline. Chapter 5. The Goals of Discipline. This chapter teaches you how to use discipline to achieve your goals and how to set smart, realistic, and measurable goals. It also explains the importance of planning, prioritizing, and tracking your progress, and how to use feedback and accountability to improve your discipline. Chapter 6. The Challenges of Discipline. This chapter helps you to deal with the common challenges and obstacles that can undermine your discipline and how to overcome them. It also gives you tips and strategies on how to cope with stress, fatigue, boredom, and distractions, and how to handle failure and setbacks. Chapter 7. The Rewards of Discipline. This chapter celebrates the rewards and benefits of discipline and how it can transform your life and happiness. It also inspires you to keep growing and learning, and to use your discipline to help others and make a positive impact on the world. Sounds amazing, right? Well, you're not the only one who thinks so. This book has over 2,000 positive reviews on Goodreads 1, and it's rated 4.4 out of 5 stars on Amazon too. That means thousands of people have read this book and loved it, and you can be one of them. If you're interested in learning more about discipline and how to use it to improve your life, I highly recommend you to check out The Power of Discipline by Daniel Walter. You can find a link to buy the book in the video description below. But before you go, I have a question for you. What is one thing that you want to achieve in your life, but you haven't been able to because of lack of discipline? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll tell you how this book can help you with that. Don't miss this chance to discover the power of discipline and how to use it to achieve anything you want in life. Click the link below and get your copy of The Power of Discipline today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more book reviews and tips on how to improve your life and achieve your goals. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this book, or if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay disciplined and keep learning.